Welcome back to another CAD Dimensions Tech Tip. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at an often underutilized aspect of SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation. In this example, we've got two different configurations for our heatsink here. We have one where it is kind of parallel to this bottom face here, and we have one where it's rotated 90 degrees this way. And we want to compare the performance between the two. And SOLIDWORKS Flow actually has a tool to do this. In this case, we're going to be comparing two different results. The cut plot here, which is a cut plot of temperature, and the goal plot, which is going to be a plot of the maximum temperature of the heatsink to see if rotating the heatsink 90 degrees makes a difference. So to do this, what we can do is right-click on our results folder and come down to Compare. And what that's going to allow us to do is build out this comparison between the projects we're looking for, which is zooming A and zooming B, and what we would like to compare, in this case, our cut plot and our goal plot. If we go ahead and hit the compare button, we'll let that run for a second, and it's going to create the missing plots in whatever project that it's not defined in. So in this case, it had to go and create the cut plot and the goal plot in project B. But if we go ahead and take a look at our cut plot, we can double click on these images here, and we can see our cut plot for zooming A is about 56 degrees Fahrenheit or Celsius, and zooming B is about 58 degrees Celsius. So zooming B is slightly worse, and we can confirm that with our goal plot. We can see our maximum temperature is 56 in zooming A and about 58 in zooming B. We can also save these out. If we take a look at our cut plot, we can save all of these plots as images, so we can do kind of our batch results processing right from here as well. So SOLIDWORKS Flow, the compare results tool, is super powerful, especially if you're leveraging multiple different configurations for whatever reason. Maybe we're changing boundary conditions, we're changing geometry conditions like we did in this example. Whatever we're using the different configurations in SOLIDWORKS Flow for, the compare results tool helps speed up our results processing and get our design decisions done faster. Hopefully that helps, guys. We'll see you next time with another tech tip.